Alright, yeah, welcome back again. Now, last time we looked at a simple bar plot using just one categorical variable, but this time around, we want to look at two categorical variables with a bar plot. But in this case, we will not be using that a simple bar plot anymore. We use a stacked bar plot or cluster bar plots, and even mosaic plot. So we are still running our visual library here. Don't forget, so you can run it again. So with our team, using them, don't forget, we don't need to glimpse anymore. So I've already glimpsed before. So I've already done this before as well. Okay, I mean, it may not be necessary anymore. So I've attached my also penguin as well. So we can just visualize. Now we can use a stack bar plot to visualize the relationship between two categorical variables, how they are related. Okay, the first plot shows the frequency of each species of penguins of each on each island. Okay, that is a structure. Now, for example, now you want to say, okay, this table we did the other time, if you remember, we contingent table, you can do the same thing here. Okay, so you are trying to say, okay, now in each island we have different species. Okay, in Bisco Island we have 44 Adelie, we have 0 Shintra, we have 199 Gen 2. In Dream Island we have 55 Adelie, we have 68 Shinstrap, we have 0 Gen 2, and in Togesin Island we have 47 Adelie, we have 0 and 0 here. So these are the structure of we have I mean the frequency we have in each island. Okay, so you can plot a stack bar plot now for this. So how do you do that? You just supply ggplot as usual. Then your data set penguin is supply here, the comma. Your aesthetic here is open bracket x equals to x-axis equals to island. Okay, you can fill with a species. Okay, sometimes you can do the way around depending on what you are doing, but at least for now you want to see island, but you want to see them in different species. So we are trying to answer the question that how many frequency can we find in each species in different islands. Okay, so we can just run this line of code to see the result. Okay, now looking at this result now, look at that. And this chart is different from the former one we did before. So we have a Pisco, we have Dream, we have tokens in this island, we have each count. So you can see the species here, all right, color, all right. So which means this red means Adelaide. So we have in Pisco Island, we have more of Gen 2, okay, you can see, and we have little Adelaide here, and in the Dream Island, we have Shintrap and Adili. We have more of Shintrap, and additionally we have Adili. But in Togisin Island, we have only Adili here. Right? We don't have Shintrap, we don't have Gen 2. You can see this can look at the snapshot of the this called stacked bar plot. Okay, so second plot is relatively frequency plot. We call cluster bar plot. Okay, cluster looks like bar as well, but the difference is that instead of using bar here, just bar here, we say bar position equal to fill. We fill the position. So here we fill with species here, we're still filling with species here. The same thing happen here. Only thing that changes here is just a position equal to fill. You can see that is all that changes here. So if you run this line of code now, you can have this. Okay, this is called cluster. All right, you see, have the same thing we are having, but in different form. Okay, so this is a cluster. Now you might want to also use a change the position from fill to dodge. All right, to give you another type of a blast, so it will break it down to 2 for you. So instead of having it together like this, to break it, so that is called dodge. If I run this line of code now, its position has changed. Okay, you can see now. So it's break it down. So look at this, look at this, look at this. So 2 2 2 2. So you break it down for me. That is dodge. So what you need to change is position here because of dodge equal to fill. All right. So you can see the difference. So that is just as simple as this. Then you can might want to also look at another beautiful one called Mosaic Barplot. So that one you have to use another library to support ggplot, or library called Mosaic. You can just run this library called Mosaic. You have to install it. If you don't have it, you have to install it first. As usual, you have to install dot packages. Then in the code you put Mosaic there, and you run it to install. Then you can now load the library. Now here, if you our data is equal to penguin, all right. Now plus gg mosaic, we call this function here. Okay, here you have ggplot, you also have ggmosaic. You also have its own aesthetic. S equals to product island. So we use product island here instead of just island. Okay, then we fill species so that we now have what they call mosaic plot. So let's run this line on code and see what I'm talking about. So you can see the mosaic plot is a little bit complicated, but it's very simple and it's very beautiful. So can just give you the snapshot of everything at once. And see we have species here, we have island here, all right. So you can see their color, how they are arranged, So this is called mosaic plot. So it's good to give you a snapshot of your data. You don't want to have too many plots. You can just have everything on one page. Okay, so then in that case, you can possibly hide your species region here. Okay, because you can already see species here, species here, so and the island here, so you can hide this. All right, so that is that for now on the uh, stack and the cluster bar plots. So in the next section, we'll look at another plot, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much. Enjoy your plotting.